Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video from CapCut into YouTube. Now, let's say you have a video in CapCut and you've edited it, maybe you've added a song to it or added a voiceover, all of that stuff. Now, when you're ready to go, make sure to go to the very end. Usually CapCut adds a little blank screen at the end. Let's just hit delete there. And now at the very top, you can see AI UHD. Tap on that and make sure it's the resolution, frame rate, and bit rate that you want. A lot of times you might want to bump this up to 4K. It is essentially giving you better resolution when you import it into YouTube. Now, when you're ready to go, let's tap on the export button at the top right. This will export this to the gallery on your iPhone or Android. So you can see, all right, it has exported it. We can find it by opening up the gallery, and there is that video I just exported. Now let's bring this into YouTube. Let's just open up the YouTube app here. Make sure you're signed into your account, and then we'll tap on plus at the bottom center, and we'll set the add from gallery, and there's that video. I can select it and hit next. Now from here, I can drag it if I wanted to crop it or anything like that, trim it, but let's hit done. And now I can add music, I can add various stickers, all that stuff. Let's just hit next. And now this is where I can add a caption to it. I can tap on that little pencil icon at the top left and scrub over to find the exact thumbnail that I want and hit the check mark. I can change the visibility, the audience, add a description, location, tags, all that stuff. Now, when I'm ready, whether it's a short, YouTube short, or a normal long form video, I can just tap the upload button and it will be public on YouTube. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.